Welcome to Digismart Academy. We are so delighted to have you here. Here at Digismart Academy, we provide digital education at affordable fees. Here's how to register and enroll for any of our courses.
First, you will go to our website www.digismart.com.ng, and then once you get to the website, ensure you click on this three dot. Okay, this three dot here, click on it, and then ensure you tick this desktop site. Ensure you click the desktop site. That's very important. So click on this. Okay, so that it will give you a desktop format for you to be able to navigate this website. Now once you've done that, so your website page is going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do is to click on dashboard. Now this is dashboard, somewhere around here. So this is dashboard, so you tap on it. So tap on dashboard. So once you tap on dashboard, and then you have this particular page. So if you have signed in before, if you have registered before, you just need to sign in. But if you have not done so, what you need to do is to just tap on this to register now. So I'm just going to tap on this, and it will bring the registration form. So of course it comes in three parts. All you just need to do is to fill just one of them. All right, so put in your details and everything here. So I'm going to do that very quickly. So once you are filling the form, you just tap register, and it's going to take you here. So now you need to sign in. You have registered, so now you have to sign in. So I'm still going to use this one here. So I'll sign in. Good. So it's going to bring you to your dashboard. Now in your own case, you are just going to have all this. You are going to have this 0, this is 0, because you have not been onboarded. You have not enrolled for any course. So enrolled courses will be 0, active courses will be 0. But in this particular account, I've actually enrolled for this particular video arts animation, and that is why you are seeing one for enrolled courses and then one for active courses. All right, so that is how to actually register and also sign in into your dashboard. So anytime you want to access your dashboard after you have done your registration and sign in, it's going to be pretty easy. So all you just need to do is to just log into our website, and then after that, so as you log into the website, you just click on dashboard, and once you click on dashboard, it's going to take you straight to your information. So this is it. Okay, so that will be all.